Herzlich willkommen beim digitalen Lernangebot Englischunterricht für die Grundschule.
Today's topic is farm animals. Exercise 1. Reading. First, look and listen, then read aloud. Horses can run very fast. Horses can run very fast. The rooster is colorful. Cows eat grass. I see two pigs. This is a donkey. This is a goat. Hens lay eggs. Exercise 2. Reading. Be quick and read faster than me. You read first. I like cows. Goats have horns. Hens lay eggs. I can ride a horse. Birds can fly. Cows give milk. The donkey is gray. The farmer lives on his farm. There are many animals on the farm.